Wait, so you're 2 years old, but your kid is 1? Yeah, that's pretty normal. I never thought of that before. The fact that animals have kids that are like the same age as them. I mean, how old are you compared to your child? I'm 30 and my baby is 1. Damn, shit, you're old. I'm not old, all right? As a human, I'm actually still pretty young. What we do have in common is not having to deal with our kids anymore. You know, once they're born, it's over. You're kind of like, I don't have to do anything anymore. What? Well, you know, once they're born, your job is done, right? Like the second I had my baby, it was already walking. It was literally already doing its primary function, like immediately. It's a little bit different for us. How so? They don't really do anything. They don't walk or talk. You have to do everything for them, feed them, clothe them, basically make sure that they don't turn out to be like bad people. So you really have to watch over them for almost their entire life. I do not envy you. I wouldn't envy me either.